Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how, as a beginner, no experience required, no technical skills required, no website required, no blog required, with 0 followers, with 0 knowledge. That's right, learn and earn together, how you can start making money this year in 2025 without having to spend any single cent on traffic generation. I'm going to show you step by step how to make thousands of dollars in commissions every single month using the method that I'm about to share with you in this video, using 100% free traffic and 100% free traffic with 0 followers and without having to have any kind of experience and technical skills. And the method I'm about to teach you works, and it works very, very well because I'm making money using this method. There are other people making money using this method. Okay. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. My channel is all about make money online, work from home, traffic generation, lead generation, affiliate marketing, ClickBank, etc. So if you're one of the first person watching one of my videos and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you click the subscribe button, click the share button, share this video with the people you care because it will help someone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated, and leave a comment for me, and make sure you watch my other videos as well that I have recorded, because I have helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have gone on to make multiple 6 figures, and some of my students have become mentors and coach. So if you follow my advice and follow my recommendation, I guarantee that you will see success if you take action and if you follow my steps and recommendation. Okay. So, if you don't know me, I've been in this business for a decade and I've generated over $1 million in commission using other people's product. I'm the top 1% affiliate in a lot of industries, and I'm a traffic expert as well and a conversion expert as well, and I have crushed so many leaderboards and been in the top 1% of leaderboards for so many contests and with 100,000 affiliates. All right, so like I said, if you follow my steps and you do exactly as I tell you, your life is never going to be the same again. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so we will need a couple of things down here. What do we need? First of all, we need a product to promote. Okay, number 1. Number 2, we need traffic. We need to generate traffic. Okay, now you can get a product from ClickBank. Okay, you don't have to create your own product, create your own system, create your own course. You can just go to ClickBank, get a product, okay, and start promoting that product. Okay, this works with your own product, your own course, your own system. It works with other people's products as well. But I am going to actually do this with my own product, a product that you can also have access to with resell rights and earn 100% profit, 100% commission. That's right. I'm going to do this with a product that's a done for you digital marketing business in a box that you can have access to, okay, with all the trainings, all the tutorials, all the bonuses, plus resell rights, plus earn anywhere from $100 to $900, 100% profit, 100% commission directly into your bank account. You could also get paid straight into your PayPal account. Okay, you could also get paid straight into your cash payment, and you could also get paid like cash on delivery. It's your business. You get access to everything done for you. Click, 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 and it's already loaded. The whole business is loaded. The entire payment gateway is loaded, and everything is done for you. And you're going to learn everything, and people are crushing it with it. People are making, for the first time, people are starting to make money with a complete done for you business in a box. So you have a chance to change your life this year, because this is taking the internet by storm. So let's get into this on what are we talking about. All right. So first of all, you're going to need a Canva account. All right. So I'm on Canva already. Create your free account because we're going to be using Canva for this purpose. Okay. Second of all, you need a product. I've already spoke about the product that we're going to be using. And third of all, you need a traffic generation technique. And are we going to use a free traffic? A traffic source that you've probably already been on, but you just don't know how to use it. So I'm going to give you a bit of hint of this traffic on how to use it. You're going to learn more when you join the business, or you can also join the fast profit strategy manual that I have where I share the insider secrets of my business, how I generate thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions, and you can learn everything. I'll give the traffic source, I'll give the direct subscriber network, I'll give the underground traffic methods, I'll give the 5-figure Facebook reels. I'll do so much stuff in there. Okay, so all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. So let's get into this. Okay, so this is the business that I was talking about. This is a business where you earn 100%. Discover how to earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business. And it's a business where you learn, earn together. You could see over 50,000 members, okay? And you can start getting money and start making money within 7 days after setting everything up, okay? And it only takes 1 to 2 hours a day. These are testimonials from real people, real results. I'm going to have the link for this in my description box below this video. I am also going to have the link for this in my comment section box below this video. In fact, I'm going to popping it up on the screen as well for you right now. You could open up a new browser, go to this website address and check this out, okay? And if you are interested in joining this program where you have a complete done for you business in a box, everything done for you, no experience required, no technical skills required, no followers required, everything done for you. You just have to learn and earn together, and you're getting all the training inside this business box where you get to learn and start implement and start making thousands of dollars in commissions every single month. Then you can join this, okay, and you can earn 100% profit with this. Now, if you have any kind of questions regarding this business, you could just come to Facebook, okay, and you could just type in my name, okay. Where is it? Okay, how come it's taking quite some time to load? Let's just wait for this to load. Okay, so here's my Facebook profile. If you have any kind of question, you want to learn more about this, how this business can change your life and how you can earn 100% commission, what you need to do, just go to Facebook, type in my name, which is this one here, and you can send me a message, a private message, and I will answer your question. And if you can remember, just a couple of minutes ago, I talked about my Business Insider Secret Fast Profit Strategy Manual, where I share everything about my business, how I generate thousands of dollars in commissions with ClickBank, and with how I have generated, which means the methods that I teach in this profit strategy manual can be used with ClickBank, any other affiliate promotion, and you can generate thousands of dollars in commission. I share everything. If you just come to my Facebook profile, you're going to see here, it says here, Fast Profit Machine, My Business Insider, and then here's the link here. If you click on this link, you could purchase this. Okay, by the way, you get resale rights to this as well, so you can earn 100% profit on this as well. So you could sell this, share this, sell this, and earn 100% profit. In there, I share some of the best tips for you to start succeeding and start making money online. And remember, the method that I teach in here works with any affiliate network, any product, any system, etc. So let's get back into this, where you can earn 100% profit with a done for you business in a box, where you get all of this done for you, all right? And you can do this using 100% free method. And this is the whole target, that they teach you how to do this 100% free method. So if you're interested in this, here's the link popping up right on the screen. Just go to this website address right now. Make a decision to join this, and I'm sure that if you follow the steps and take massive action, your life is never going to be the same again. Whether you join or not. If you join, you could still contact me, ask me any question. If you need any kind of help, I'm ready to jump on Skype. I'm ready to help you out. And if you don't join, but you have questions about this, you could also contact me. Then I'm open to all the messages. As you can see here, I respond to every single messages. People are just sending me messages, asking me questions, and I'm here to help you. Like I said, I have helped thousands of people make money online, and some of my students have become mentors and coaches. So let's get into this. Okay, so we're going to be promoting this product down here. So I'm just giving you one single hint here. Okay, So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come back here. I'm going to come to Canva. All right. And we're going to use this Canva method to promote our product. Okay. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and I'm going to do something like this. So this is something that I just created here. So I just see mom with 6 kids earns $27,000. That's right. Okay. A lot of moms have been joining this business because this is normally targeting the mom section. Okay, so moms are joining this business, they are crushing it, they are making money using free methods, all taught in this done for you digital business empire. So because I want to target this business is worldwide and available for everyone, male, female, everyone. Okay, but because I want to target the female gender, so I created a post saying mom with 6 kids earns $27,000. Would the extra $900 a day do for you? Pay off debt, travel more, quit that 9 to 5. If you're ready to find out how to make it happen, drop info below. Okay, so I got that and I downloaded it onto my computer. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Facebook. Okay, like I said, Facebook is a free traffic machine and I have got incredible results. Okay, I'm just giving you a tip of the bird, okay? A single hint. This is not even everything I'm giving you. You're going to get everything when you join this business in a box, okay? So when you join this here, you're going to get everything. Plus resale rights, plus 4 income stream, plus all the bonuses, plus 100% profit on everything, okay? So let's get into this. So I'm going to go to one of the Facebook groups. I've already joined a lot of Facebook groups. So let me just come here and let me just put something like, let's see if I could find some groups here. I can't find any group here, so let me just go to Facebook, direct Facebook groups. Okay, let's go money. Okay, let's just do this, and you're gonna see so many Facebook groups here. So what you need to do, you want to join some of these Facebook groups here. Okay, so you could see here, look, for example, this is a Facebook group here. I'm gonna join this. I'm gonna open it. Okay, and then I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna join this as well, and I'm gonna open it. All right, and then here's another one. I'm gonna join this one as well. I'm gonna open it. You can see there are so many Facebook groups down here. We're gonna join a couple of these Facebook groups, 10 posts a day. All right, let's just open some of these. How to make money on Facebook page. I don't want to join this because it's more specifically to Facebook page. Earn money online. Okay, so this is another good one. Just open it. All right, so you want to join a couple of these. You get the idea here. All right, so earn free money from the internet. Okay, free money from the internet. I'll still target that. Okay, not everyone is a freebie. Earn money online, earn money online. Let's do this. Okay, so let's join a couple of these Facebook groups. Okay, and once you have joined these couple of Facebook groups, what you want to do, you just want to go there and post it. And some people are going to ask you some questions. Join the Telegram channel. That you can choose one option. No, subscribe my site to get new updates. Okay, you want to be true and honest. Okay, you don't want to lie. Okay, now he's telling me to join this, I'm not interested, so I'm just going to say no. What, he might not accept me in his Facebook group, that's fine, I don't mind, but I would rather be truth and honest and speak the truth than just lying and deceiving to get into something. Okay, so if he doesn't want to accept me, that's fine, I don't mind, but I'm not going to lie. Okay, subscribe to my site to get new updates. Not interested, I'm going to say no. Do you agree to the rules or groups? Yes, I do. Now it's up to you if you want to accept me or not. Okay, so always speak the truth, don't lie. Okay, if you know something is working, it's a good product, recommend it to other people. If you know it's not working, it's a scam or something that's a waste of time, do not recommend it to someone because you're just deceiving someone. Okay, you want to be very honest in your business. Okay, so let's just click that submit button. If he wants to accept me, accept me. If he doesn't want to accept me, don't accept me, who cares? All right, so keep going on, and we're going to find a bit more, 2 more groups here. Make money makers verified. I hope this guy accept me. Okay, so that's it. That's more than enough. All right, so let's go into each one. All right, and I am going to actually post here. So I'm going to first come here. All right, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to post this here. All right, so watch this, what happens. Okay, let's just wait. There you go. It's posted. Now people are going to contact me for this and I'm going to reach out to these people. All right. You can do this, my friend. You can do this with affiliate product. You can do this with ClickBank products. If you're getting value, give me a thumbs up. If you love this video and you think this is a very good video, this guy has provided a lot of value in here, smash that subscribe button. Come on, just do it right now. Give me a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have some lot of cool stuff coming your way. All right, so I'm going to keep on doing this with all the Facebook groups here and then watch how many messages I get. I'm going to contact these people. Some people will say yes, some people will say no, some people will not respond. That's fine. All right, okay, so that was all about how to make money online this year in 2025 with 100% done for you business in a box digital product where you can earn 100% profit. You have the authority. As a beginner, the biggest question I get is, hey, I'm just a beginner. When I go to people, when I approach people, they're gonna ask me a lot of questions. I don't have no authority in the market. This is a fast track way for you to build that authority. Okay, that when you have a business in a box done for you, the website done for you, loading, everything, payment, gateway, everything done for you, you are instantly building the authority in the marketplace. And then you can look into someone's eye and tell him, hey, here's my product, here's my system, here's the everything here, go here, buy this, and you're going to make money like this. And you're building an instant authority. So you are actually becoming a pro instantly. All right, so a lot of people say, oh, I don't have a course, I don't have a product. You have a chance to get this done for you, business in a box, earn 100% profit, and you have my hands on your back telling you, hey, don't worry, I'm going to help you. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to show you how to start generating big fat commissions online. All right, so that's all for now. Stay tuned for my next video because I have some very, very cool stuff coming your way. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.